Brushing your teeth right after a meal can actually harm your enamel instead of protecting it. Most people think they're doing their teeth a favor, but your enamel is at its weakest right after eating, especially if you've had acidic foods or drinks. When you eat, acids temporarily soften the enamel on your teeth. If you brush immediately, your toothbrush can scrub away this softened layer, making your teeth more vulnerable to cavities and sensitivity over time. Dentists recommend waiting at least 30 minutes before brushing, giving your saliva a chance to neutralize acids and reharden your enamel naturally. It's like giving your teeth a built-in armor before you clean them. So, next time you finish a meal, resist the urge to rush to your toothbrush. Let your mouth do its natural protective work before you step in for that sparkling clean smile.